Hi guys, it's Jen Scheimer from Just Keep Crafting, and I hope you all know what that means. It's from Finding Nemo, and I just love Just Keep Swimming, and so that's what I try to do when it comes to crafting. I just wanted to show off a new album that I did with Lael by Mail. I love her so much. She still has the kits available, I believe, on her website. And it's the dog album, and she had to postpone because of technical issues. And I've never been so not mad per se, but upset that I had to wait because my dog is my favorite thing, even though I have children. But my dog is honestly my favorite thing. I have teenagers, so you know how that goes. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you my album. It's finished. I finally finished it today. I thought I'd just pop on quick and say hi. I haven't been around lately. I went to a convention. I've been, a lot of family things have been going on, but it's all good stuff, so it's not bad. Anyway, so this is the album. This is the cover. It's part of the she uses all the Simple Stories Woof collection, which I absolutely loved. I'm just going to see if I can move it over just a skosh. Okay, because I want to get the whole thing in. All right, so this is the cover, puffy stickers, which I love that they're doing now. I'm not really a big, smaller puffy sticker, but these are a good 1/4 inch thick. They're really great. And anyways, so she does the cover with us. This is the inside cover. Honestly, I did not create this, so I can't take credit for it, but this is a cute little pocket. I'm going to use this as a cute little pocket as a thing to show you. This is just the cover page. Could probably put a photo here if you felt like it. This is another piece. So I pop dotted this, and I used a tool that I don't know if you guys know exists. This is the tool. This I've been having so much fun with. It's called a powder tool. And what it is if you have a sticker, and again, I'll use this as an example. If this was a sticker, and it was sticky on the back, but you wanted to put a photo in there eventually, you just use it on the back of the sticker, just in the corner where you would use it, or the whole thing and just use it in the corner like that. So I love it. I think it's baby powder in here but it's fine baby powder, and you can get it on scrapbook.com. I think Lael sells it too, but easy peasy. Anyways, easy 3x4s, 4x6. I'll put a photo here, probably a photo here, journaling about my Ellie dog. Same thing here. This is kind of a fun interactive piece. This is a double interactive, and it took me a minute to really get a hold of how I was doing it. But it basically, you open it like this, and then you have enough room. I'm just going to show you for a lot of pictures here, journaling pictures here, and then, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Let me move it over like this. What? It's another moving piece. So it's almost like a pop-up. And then you could put a picture, story, however you want to do it. But I love when she does those interactive ones. They look so complicated. Then when you do it with her, it's not that hard. So this on the back, I think was going to be a big 6x8 photo. This again are 2 4x6 pockets. We just added some stickers to it. Again, these are on top of the page protector, so you can put pictures behind. This again is just a regular, put a picture. Should say who's a good girl because my dog's a girl, but whatever. Well, maybe I'll do a picture of my old dog, Happy, when I was growing up, who I love. I kept thinking he'd be cute to put in here. Again, this is a very simple page. This is another cute page. Again, I'm going to show you. This whole thing is like a pocket. So you could put a couple 4x6 photos. You could put a whole thing of journaling back and forth. And then this is just a regular page. 4x6, 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 4x6. This was cute, little interactive, so you could put a picture here and then maybe write about all the funny things your dog does. Then on the back, maybe a picture. This again, 2 3x4s and a 4x6. Same thing on the back. Another interactive piece. Opening up. How fun is that? I mean, so cute, so easy to do. This is my favorite part probably right here is, looks like a little person's shirt, like a men's jacket. You open it like that. I mean, come on. How cute is that, right? Again, 4x6 photo or 4x4 photo maybe here. This is called Doggy Doors or Dutch doors. You just kind of can put as many photos as you want under there. This one, again, I use the powder tool here because I'm going to put a photo kind of 4x6 over here. But this leaves room for the photo to still slide in there, which is kind of fun. Pocket, again, easy peasy pocket for a couple photos. 2x3s or 3x4s, 4x6s. Another pocket. I love this little pocket, actually. This was really fun to do. And this one is cute too. This is a pocket inside a pocket, so you could do photos here and journaling on top. Another 4x6. And then on the back, you have more room for photos. This door is the only door that opens, which is cute, right? And then journaling and then pictures. Another one, which would be a really big photo, and then I have trim for that. I'll show you that in a minute. This they call a dog door, and she calls an oven door, which is kind of cute. I like her words for things. So it opens like this and below, if you can see, and then it closes back up. So that's really cute. And then this is on the back. Again, I use the powder tool. So as you can see, I'll be able to put a photo all the way into here. And then this is my back page. I made it up myself, but again, I use the powder tool. So when I need a photo there, I'll put it like that and then like that. Then I wanted to show you one other thing I did. So when you're done with her class, you end up with a lot of extra bits, whether it's cut pieces, these are her directions, all these stickers. What I did was, this comes in, I think it's a 6x12 piece of plastic, if you can see. What I did was I cut it so it would fit in. And so it comes like this. This is probably the original of the other piece, and I have an extra one to use later. And what I did was I used the thing that came with the little chipboard pieces, and I put more of the puffy stickers on it. Then I also took, this puffy sticker didn't fit on it, and I didn't want to put it on the back, so I left it on. I just cut around it, as you can see. And then in the back, I have another piece of this. I just trimmed it, as you can see, to like 6x8-ish. And I took all the stickers from the 12x12 sticker sheet, and I put it on front and back. The only thing I'm finding with this is just be careful when you take it in and out that these little pieces don't fall off. But what I wanted was, when I was done, to be able to put all the pieces, the little extra pieces, the product strips, in my album in the back, so when I do put photos in, I'll have more embellishments to put in there. So that was my idea. I feel like a genius that I came up with it. You guys don't have to call me a genius, but that's what I did. So I hope you enjoy this. Like, share. If you did this class, it's over at laylebymail.com, Layle. And I'd love to see the finished product. I'm going to put some pictures in of my dog and repost this again. But this is a fun project. All right, I hope you have a good day.